Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change to a pattern lock on Samsung M35 device. Well, patterns lock allows for personalization by creating custom patterns that reflect your style and preferences. And also, changing to a pattern lock enables you to choose a pattern that is easy for you to remember yet difficult for others to guess or replicate. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To initiate the process, access please the settings menu on your device. So here, please scroll down until you find security and privacy option. Then tap on it to access the security settings. And within this menu, select lock screen option to customize your device lock screen security. And then choose the first option available to modify the current screen lock method. Okay, and here enter your current screen lock credential. So, select the pattern option to set a new unlock pattern. Draw a unique pattern on the screen. So, redraw the pattern to confirm and click confirm here. Okay, by changing your screen lock method to a pattern, you enhance the security of your device while adding a personalized touch to the unlocking process. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change to a pattern lock on Samsung M35 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.